Alright guys, so I'm here to answer a very, very sensitive question which is being asked of me for the longest time na hindi ko pa sinasagot until just now. Okay? And I had this question as a response to my previous video, which is marami rin naging viewers, yung bakit ba nagloloko ang mga lalaki. So the question here is, bakit ba nagloloko ang mga babae? Alright? So that's one question na it took me a while. Sabi ko, teka, hindi ganun kadaling sagutin. Bakit? Kasi hindi po ako babae. So now, I'm going to answer that based on principles I have learned, alright? And based on my observation, and also based on the people na nakausap ko. Okay? So guys, if you're a husband, if you're a man, please listen. If you're a wife, if you're a woman, please make sure you share this video to a man. Para matigil na to. Alright? Nagloloko ang mga babae or they cheat not because they want to. Okay? Men, hindi sila katulad na natin. Okay? Na we have the desire to look for more. We have the desire to pag may nakita ka na trigger, uy, mas maganda siya, uy, type ko siya, then you go for it. Women are not like that. Right? Sila yung pinupuntahan. Okay? Hindi sila hunters. Okay? So, ang nangyayari, if a woman feels unloved, hindi niya naramdaman yung totoong pagmamahal, titiisin niya yun. Okay? Pero pag sobrang tagal na, pag sobrang lonely na siya, sobrang sad na siya, sobrang empty na siya, then suddenly, okay, someone, na katulad nating lalaki, offers love to her na hindi mo nabibigay. Then, because of her weakness and that great need sa kanya, that feeling to be loved, bumibigay siya. Alright? Hindi sila naturally cheater. Hindi sila naturally nanlalalaki. Uy, gusto ko yung manlalaki. Uy, type ko yun, manlalalaki ako. Hindi. Yung kanilang panglalalaki or pag-cheat is a response to the lack of love na hindi nila nararamdaman sa ating mga lalaki. Okay? So, yon ang sagot doon. So, I hope I am right. So, please comment mga women and please share this to your male friends. Kaya nagloloko ang mga babae. They cheat not because they want to, because they were pushed to, because they felt the lack of love na talagang kailangan nila. In their hearts, pag inopen mo, isa lang gusto talaga nila, I want to be loved. Alright? So, magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na video. Please like, comment, share. God bless you.